Hi everybody! So today is Monday, May 18th, and it's going to be day one incubating our chicks. We're going to learn a whole bunch more about the incubator later, but today we'll just show you guys how we're going to select our eggs and get them inside our incubator. The incubator's been on for a few hours, so the temperature is set and stable at 37.5 degrees Celsius. So depending on the eggs that you are hatching, they require different temperatures. I will remind you all, this is the first time we've ever done this, so we are learning alongside you guys. We have gone to Morning Sound Farm on Saturday, so 2 days ago, and Mrs. Farmer gave us a dozen or 12 eggs, and you might notice there are a variety of colors. Okay, so just take a minute to look at them. We have one that's white, only one. Okay, many of you probably have white eggs in your fridge. This one is, it looks a bit blue. It doesn't look, if I hold it beside the white, you can see that it's not the same color. We have two that are quite a bit larger. We've got this beige colored one, and we have a lot of brown eggs that are various shades of brown.
And this brown egg is very, very light.
So the colors just mean they came from different chickens, different colored chickens. So brown chickens, white chickens, different types of chickens.
Light chickens too, I think. So looks like there's three of these light eggs, brown.
So our incubator can hold 7 hen or chicken eggs. So even though we have 12, we're going to select 7 that we would want to put in. We're going to mark them and number them. And that will also help us to show as the eggs rotate in the incubator, as they're turned automatically through the incubator. So Sadie, I was thinking we pick both these two. They're quite a bit bigger, so I'm interested to see how these guys look.
And the green ones are really longer than the other ones.
Okay, so let's put a number 1. We're using a pencil to make a small number 1 on these. Let's come a bit closer. The shell actually has thousands and thousands of pores that breathe and absorb oxygen. So we don't want to use a marker or a Sharpie, and we don't want to color all over the eggs because that would inhibit it from absorbing oxygen. So let's do 1, 2. Now we have 12, and we're going to pick 7. So do some quick math. 7 in the incubator, how many will be out if we have 12 total? 7 plus what is 12?
Mom, I think that 2 can be.
All right, we got 3.
Can you make the curve a little bit bigger?
Sure, I can make the curve a little bit bigger.
These are race.
4.
And she's just gonna make that curve too a little bigger.
Let's try the white one. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
5.
Now we're at 5, and then what comes after 5? 6. And
All right, so we're at 6. Sadie, well, look at here's a number talk for you. We've got 3 and 2 and 2. How many eggs are left, Sadie? 3.
2 and 2
is how much? 3, 4,
10.
5, 6, 7. We have 7. Pick 2 brown ones. Which 2 do you want to put in the incubator? How about a dark one? What about this guy? He's pretty good.
No.
5.
We don't have any light ones.
Well, you pick one. I got one more spot.
And what comes after 6? 7. I used to do that when I was at kindergarten. I like to yell out loud. But in the videos, I really don't yell out loud.
Okay, we have 7. So, Sadie, how many are not going in the incubator?
7.
No, look at these ones are going in the incubator. How many are not?
7.
Look at them.
1 and
4.
4. 5.
5. Okay, so 7 inside, 5 are not. So we're going to do an activity with these 5 later, and we'll take a look at what's inside these eggs. Let's get these 7 into the incubator.
And we can show if the maybe when these eggs hatch, we can show them to you, and they'll be so soft.
Okay, so we're going to open the incubator. We want to do this fairly quickly because the temperature will drop as we open it, but it shouldn't make too much difference. I'm going to be putting the pointy side of the egg like towards the center. Okay, so ready?
Can I try to?
Okay. Hang on, Sadie. Yeah, make sure it's pointing. It sits on this round disc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put it in order. 6. Yep, switch it. There we go. Oh,
sorry.
It's okay. So it sits on this disc. This disc is actually going to rotate the eggs. Every 45 minutes, the disc is going to turn for 7 seconds. And that's going to turn our eggs so that they don't stick to the shell. As they rotate, just like the mummy hen would do, they develop evenly without sticking to the shell. Okay? We've done it. We have 7 chick eggs in the incubator. Day 1 of 21. We are going to leave the eggs alone for 7 days. After 1 week, 7 days, we will candle a couple of the eggs, which means we will use a light to kind of look inside and just to confirm that they're developing properly. We're not going to touch them until then. There's also a little tray here. I've just got this on a towel because I do add water to the side, and that keeps the moisture in the air in here at a good level. We don't want it too dry. I just got a towel also so it doesn't slip. Maybe I'll very quickly show you a couple other things that we have in preparation for our chickens. We've got this. This is what we're going to use to keep our chickens warm, or chicks warm once they hatch. Instead of an infrared heat lamp, this is a little bit of a safer option.
And here is all the chicken's food
We've got food and a drink container in here, and then we've got a big box that we're gonna put house our chickens when we're ready.
Yeah, when they like to walk around so crazy. I just love it.
Okay, so thanks guys. Check in soon for the next couple of videos.
And I hope you're missing your teacher and school a lot. I'm missing mine too. Well,
Thank you.
It's nice seeing you. Goodbye.
Thanks to my very special helper, Sadie. All right, guys, take care.